This looks like a complicated heart granny square, but I promise you, if you can crochet a basic granny square, you can make this. And the best part, it's chunky, cozy, beginner friendly, and works up so fast. Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm April, and I love creating easy, cozy crochet patterns that actually feel doable. So today I'm showing you how to make this big, heart, bulky granny square. It's all about simple stitches, smart color changes, no fancy techniques, no stress, I promise. The free pattern link is down below, so let's get started. If you see my other videos, I am not a magic circle girly. Sorry about that. Apologizing in advance. So we are going to chain 4 to start this pattern, slip stitching in the first chain to join, and we are working in the rounds, of course, for a granny square like we always do. We're going to be working inside that circle. So we are going to chain 2, which counts as a double crochet. Then we are going to double crochet and then double crochet again. So that looks like 3 double crochets. We're going to chain 2 and we are going to add 3 double crochets again in a row. We are making our first round, which will give us all those 4 corners that we need. That's basically what this round job is. So we are doing 3 double crochets, chain 2, and now we're going to do another 3 double crochets and chain 2. And you're going to do this 4 times so that we can get those 4 corners, like I said, for the first round. So this works up really quickly, as you can see. We've done the round and we've got all the corners. We will slip stitch to join this round in that top of that chain 2 that we did right at the beginning. And there is all of our 4 corners that we're going to be working in. And we are still continuing with the color red for round 2. So we are going to, in that chain 2 space, that first corner, we are going to chain 2, double crochet again, chain 2, and then add another 3 double crochets. So for every corner, it's always 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. That's how we extend our corners when we make this granny square. So we are going to continue that exact pattern all the way around in every corner. So 3DC, chain 2, 3DC. So here it is, and we are going to slip stitch in that first chain 2 at the top there just to end off that round. Okay, so the third round of this heart granny square is where we are shaping the heart. Now, when you first look at this, it looks complicated, but we're just doing color changes. We're doing the exact same stitches, but just changing from red to white. So we are starting in a corner and we are starting with red. And like I said, for all corners for this granny square pattern, it is 3DC, chain 2, 3DC. So that's 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So we are doing that here. Now continuing this round with the red yarn, we have a chain 2 space that is right next to it. So we are going to chain 2 when we've done our corner, and we are going to add 3 double crochets in that chain 2 space with the red color. So now we are starting to shape this heart. So now we need to introduce the white yarn. So we are going to, the best way that I like to do color changes is I remove that last stitch that I just did, and I'm going to add the white yarn as I close that last part of that double crochet that was in that chain 2 space there. So I'm going to pull through that white yarn, and then I'm going to continue crocheting, keeping that red yarn to the back of my work. We are going to chain 2, and there is a corner there. So what we do in the corners for granny squares is we do 3DC, chain 2, 3DC. So we are going to go ahead and do that with this white yarn. So you see this works out pretty quickly because it's a bulky weight yarn, and you will be done this square in no time. So there is your corner with white. So now we are continuing with red. So we are going to undo that last stitch, make sure the white is at the back. I'm going to show you how to weave in all these ends after you've dropped all these yarns and picked up the colors. But there is a chain 2 space. So we chain 2 with the red, and we are going to add 3 double crochets in that chain 2 space. That is not a corner. That is just a chain 2 space. So it's just chain 2, 3DC, chain 2. So our heart is slowly shaping here. So now what we're going to do is we are going to be introducing white again. and making a corner with the white. So I'm going to undo that last part of that DC in that chain 2 space, add the white yarn, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to do a corner, which is 3DC, chain 2, 3DC. Okay, so there is the finished corner with the white yarn. And that bottom portion there of that one red 3DCs at the bottom is the bottom of the heart, basically. So now we are going to continue that other part of the heart that is round. We're doing the top of the heart. And hopefully this makes sense, but we are now dropping the white and adding the red. Once we've completed this square, I'm going to show you exactly how I weave in the ends with all the dropped yarn. I did it this way because I didn't want to fasten off and attach the yarn again. So really, this can be completely up to you and however you feel like you want to do it. But I wanted to work it up quickly and just drop the yarn I needed and added the color that I needed. That was easier for me. Feel free to not do that. But with the red yarn, so we are doing chain 2 space. We did 3DC chain 2. And then in the corner, we are going to do 3DC, chain 2, 3DC, because that's what we always do in a corner with the red yarn. Now you'll really see that this heart is taking shape, and we are just doing one last color change to end off this heart shape. So I'm going to remove that last stitch, add in the white, and that is a chain 2 space. So we are doing chain 2, 3DC, chain 2, and that will end this round. So really now, if you've completed this and you can see how this works up, you can see how easy this is, because it really is just the same stitches and the same way you would make a bulky granny square. You're just doing color changes so that we can shape this heart. That's really it. So beginner friendly, really fast, works up quickly. Just a little bit of extra ends to weave in, which is a little annoying, but anyways, we slip stitch at the top of that double crochet where we started the round. But okay, I'm going to take you to the back, because what I've done is I loosely dropped and picked up my yarn on purpose so that I could cut these ends and just weave them in. So that is basically how I did it. And I did this before I finished the last round because I just didn't want to be annoyed with doing it at the end. I did it now. Obviously you can do it whenever you want, or not weave in your ends. Do whatever you want to do. But I was cutting these ends that were joined in, and I was just weaving them in. So I wanted to complete this before I finished the last round, but this is really how I did it, and I just wanted to stay clean, but this was pretty quick. Okay, so here's how it looks with the third round finished. The heart is shaped. So really, when you look at this, and if there was no color in this picture and you didn't see red and white, it would just look like a granny square. It would look like a bulky granny square. So with the color changes, you'll notice we just made the heart shape. So it's really, really easy, so beginner friendly, and so perfect for a chunky blanket. So that's all we had to do, was to make that heart shape. So really easy to do. Now we're going to do our fourth round, which is really just finishing the granny squares, putting corners where the corners go, which is going to be 3DC, chain 2, 3DC. And in any chain 2 space, we are only going to do chain 2, 3DC, chain 2. So that's what we're doing for chain 2 spaces. And we're just going to complete this round. I ended it off here, but it depends what you're doing with these squares. Of course, this is perfect for a blanket. Maybe if you want to make another border in red, or you want to keep going with white. But I just did one more round just so that the heart really pops out. And I wanted to finish this round with the white color. I'm pretty proud of myself here because I played yarn chicken and I won, and I'm just going to be slip stitching in that last stitch there to finish this fourth round, and that's it. My yarn ran out. Perfect. So that is the granny square. It is complete. It is so easy. I love how this worked up. It worked up so quickly. You could make 20 of these and make a gorgeous, beautiful blanket. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day, but also perfect for any day. Like, you can change the colors, make pink hearts, purple hearts. Really, anything goes. If you enjoyed this heart granny square, there's a good chance you're going to love a bunch of my other patterns too. They are all free. I have over 80 of them. They are available on my website, othcrochetnook.ca. Like, subscribe for more yarn tutorials and free crochet patterns. See you next time.